Hi, my name is Taloria. I'm a court reporter, and because of COVID-19, we've had to meet online, and boy, what a wake up was that for me. Somehow the computer camera picks up more flaws than I'm able to see naturally in the mirror, and I was very shocked. Whether I was talking or laughing or just sitting still, I could see deep furrows in my brow. I saw frown lines and of course my dark circles, things that I've wanted to take care of for quite some time, but the camera and online meetings let me know exactly how immediate the urgency was. So that's why I'm here.
Been thinking about something that you wanted to have done, or what's on your mind?
Yes, I have been thinking about several things I've wanted to have done for a while, but in actuality, working online during this COVID-19 pandemic has made me really notice the dark circles under my eyes, and also the computer camera picks up the scowl, the deep furrow marks in my brow, whether I'm speaking, laughing, or even sitting still.
Right.
So
those are my right there.
Yeah.
So all right. So show me your scowl lines, your worry lines. They're pretty deep. Yeah. And then raise your eyebrows up all the way. Okay. All right. Well, the good news is, I mean, you've only got very faint impressions of those wrinkles in your forehead, and so a little Botox will go a long way to smoothing them out. You'll like that.
Oh, good.
Now you were talking about the dark circles under your eyes. Yeah, you've got a little bit of shading under here. You've got a little volume loss under your eye. So the idea there would be to put a little bit of filler, just very judiciously, little droplets along this area. We call it a tear trough, and see if we can't make that just kind of come out a little bit more, reduce the shadowing effect, and we probably also give you a little something to dab in that area at night to kind of reduce the pigment too.
Oh, okay, yeah, great.
Right. And what I'm going to be doing is just putting little droplets of filler, and you'll feel me kind of advance it every once in a while. I may tap your skin. Just little tiny injections, little droplets. Okay. Actually, I don't think this side is as deep. What would you say? Do you think this side is traditionally, when you look at it, as deep as the other, or is it?
No, they're not even. One side always is more of a problem than the other.
Let's see, raise your eyebrows all the way up. Okay, yeah, that's definitely needs to be tamed. Little sticks. Above that eyebrow right there. And do it again. Okay, and then relax. And one more time. Right here in this corner. Lines. Those are pretty strong. Mostly all horizontal too.
It's amazing to see a difference already.
Yeah.
I can't wait. I mean, that's so neat. Right. It doesn't matter what high-end eye cream you use, and I've used them for years and years. Nothing worked even as a start compared to what's just happened this quickly.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
So what do you think? It's your first Botox treatment, first filler treatment. What are your thoughts?
Wow. Easier than I thought. Painless. I'm very happy. I'm very pleased.